Hey, to add event to calendar on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open your apps and open the calendar. Now you can actually turn on the automatic synchronization and let's add event, for example, for this day. So select this one, then you have to click on the plus, and from this you can set the title. Now click on the emoji, tap here, and also you can change the color of this event. From this you can also get it for the all day, or for example set for the specific time, for example from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Also we can change it by clicking here. You can change this start and the end time, and from this you can also add the location, so you can for example select something from map or manually input location. From this you've got this family calendar, so you can add it straight into your family calendar, into your Google account, or for example into the Samsung calendar on this phone. From this you've got also the alerts, so we got the alert the day before event at 5 p.m. You can also set your custom alert. Also you can turn them off by clicking on the switcher. From this you can actually set the repeat, so for example you can get the repeat every one day, every week, every month, or every year. And for sure when you click here you can actually change it. You can pick the specific number of times, like for example 10 times total, or for example until the specific date that you select in this calendar. Next you can also make the notes. You can make the video conference by using for example the Google Meet. From this you can also pick some attachments. So from this your Samsung calendar is actually want to get access into the Google account, and you can actually attach something. From this you can also invite someone, and if you set up like everything, you just click save, and now as you can see this is our events. So that's how we set it up. Now if you want to get rid of this event, you can just open it and then select delete, and you can move all event series to the trash. And as you can see now they disappear from the screen. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe.